Hello children, now it's time for studying more about the microorganisms. Today in this video we will study about the commercial use of microorganisms. Yes, commercial use. What is the commercial use? Commercial is directly connected to the business or trade. So when the microorganisms are used for certain business or trading, that is the commercial use of microorganisms. Like a yeast. Yeast is used to develop, uh, yeast is used to make alcohol, wine, or acetic acid. How it is used? Yeast is grown on the sugar level, on the sugar surface of the grains like barley, wheat. So when the yeast is grown on the sugar surface of the grains, and then they are converted into alcohol or wines, this is called fermentation. This is called fermentation. So this fermentation is the process of growing yeast on the sugar surface of the grains, for the production of alcohol or wine. That is called fermentation. Who discovered fermentation? Louis Pasteur. Who discovered it? Louis Pasteur. He is a scientist. He discovered it in the year 1857. In 1857, Louis Pasteur discovered the process of fermentation. Okay. Now it comes that on the other commercial uses also the microorganisms are used, like the bread mold, on a large scale of producing the pastries, bread, cakes. The bread mold, that microorganism is used on a large scale, and that is what the commercial use of microorganism is. Now the second is the use of microorganism in the field of medicine, that is the medical use of microorganisms. So whenever you get ill, whenever you have some problem in your body and you go to the doctor says that these are the antibiotics you should take with the medicine. So why the doctor gives you the antibiotics? The antibiotic is the content of some good bacteria, that kills or stop the disease causing bacteria in our body. So the antibiotics are very much required. So next is the use of microorganisms in medicine. So in the year 1929, the scientist by the name Alexander Fleming, Alexander Fleming in 1929. In 1929, Alexander Fleming was working in his lab. He was working on the culture plate of the disease-causing bacteria, and what he found that when a mold developed, when a mold grew on that culture plate, he observed that because of that mold, the disease causing bacteria, the growth of disease causing bacteria was reduced, and after some more observation he found that the mold stopped the disease causing bacteria. So from here he got the particular formula for creating the medicine for the disease that is caused by the bacteria, and here the discovery of penicillin was occurred. So Alexander Fleming prepared the medicine for the bacteria causing diseases, that is antibiotics, correct? So some antibiotics are also given to the livestock or the animals also, for the sake of checking the disease causing bacteria in their bodies. So some antibiotics are given in the form of some chemical formulation. They are given to the plants also. So to check it out whether the plants are also having some bacteria causing disease causing bacteria in them. So if it is so, the antibiotic for the particular disease in the plants can be given to those particular plants. So like this, the microorganisms are also very much required for the diseases to be cured from any of the bacteria or the fungal infection. So this is what we studied in this video, that is the commercial use of microorganisms and the medical use of microorganisms. One important thing that is to be kept in our mind, whenever you go to the doctor and the doctor gives you the antibiotics, जब आपको डॉक्टर antibiotics देते हैं, you should take the antibiotics in the supervision of your doctor, by the prescription of your doctor only. आपको डॉक्टर बोलता है लेने को तो ही लेने चाहिए, और जितना आपको डोज मिलता है, that the antibiotics are to be taken for 3 days or for 5 days, you should take the medicine for those particular days. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको 3 दिन में अच्छा लगने लगा कि और डॉक्टर ने तो आपको 5 दिन का बोला था and you have stopped taken. No, because those antibiotics which are having good bacteria in them, they go into your body and they kills the bacteria causing जो disease causing bacteria है, they kill them. So it is very much required that you should take the antibiotics under the prescription of your particular doctor, and for particular days the doctor has given you the prescription, you should take the medicine for that particular days also. खुद से कभी भी आपको एंटीबायोटिक्स नहीं लेने चाहिए, बिकॉज इससे आपके बॉडी का जो बैक्टीरिया किलिंग का जो कैपेबिलिटी है, बाद में जब आपको उस एंटीबायोटिक को लेने का ज़रूरत होगा, एट दैट टाइम you will be not having the capability in your body to get that antibiotic for the use to kill the disease causing bacteria. Okay, so this is what we have studied in this video, that is the commercial use of microorganisms and the medical use of microorganisms. Thank you so much.